Hello, welcome, Jacqueline here again, and for today's video, I will be your travel agent. So this is a general question about the luggage or baggage. So ang question is, do I need to recheck my luggage or baggage from international flight to a domestic flight? Okay, sagutin po natin yan. For example, mayroon kang flight international. Kunwari from Munich going to Newark, USA. So, no matter what airline you're flying, anumang airline po yan, since you have an international flight, you need to recheck your luggage or baggage, okay? If you have a connecting flight that arrives in United States from an international destination, you will need to pick up your baggage or your bag and then recheck them on your next flight. Okay, so kailangan po ninyong mag-recheck in again, pick up the luggage, and then please do the check-in again going to your domestic flight sa US. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. I hope this will help you out.